Hey yo, I been on, been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be reviewing another headband wig. What can I say? They're trending and everybody's selling them. So anyway, the one I'm gonna be reviewing today is from this company called VShow. So this is the hair. The color is number 4, the length is 26 inches, and the density is 180%. It's super soft. My finger ran right through it with no tangling. It has a velcro strap on it to secure to your head, and this will also help you to adjust the wig to fit your head however you want. It also has 3 clips in it that will give you extra security. Time to put this baby on to see what I'm working with. And the thing I really like about headband wigs, they are so easy to wear. All you gotta do, put it on, snap it in the back, and then add your headband and you're good to go. I like to leave my edges out in the front, and that's totally optional. Some people cover them, some people don't. But it all depends on your preference or your day. Maybe you don't like baby hair, maybe you do. Maybe on that day you don't feel like doing baby hair. So like I said, just go for it, girl. Do whatever works for you. This 180 density is really showing out today. I just love how full it is and how bouncy the little bit of curls in it are. So let's talk about what I really like about this hair. The length is perfect and the color is doing me so much justice. It works well with my skin tone. I also like the fact that it has just the right amount of curl. I did not have to do anything much with this hair. All I had to do was put it on and wear it. Enough said, let me try another headband and see what it looks like. I like this floral one very much, and the fact that it has some yellow in it, I know it's gonna go great with this top I'm wearing. By the way, they sent me about 5 headbands with this wig, so I guess that's how many you will get if you purchase one for your own. Yes, I love it. It's giving me a beach vibe, you know, like a tropical island kind of vibe. Make me want to go on the beach and have a pina colada or something. Let me stop. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving this one. I'm definitely gonna be rocking it in the springtime, especially on those days when I really don't want to be bothered with my hair. This will save me. I think this may be my very favorite headband of them all, but they're all so beautiful it's hard to decide. I'm gonna go ahead and try one last one. I think this one looks really nice too. I could see me rocking this with some kind of black outfit, maybe a black leather jacket or something. I couldn't stop touching it. I just couldn't help myself. It feels so good. I couldn't take my hands out of it. But I know you guys have a favorite, so let me know in the comment box down below. Also, all the information on this wig will be in the description box. I want to say a big thank you to VShow for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love the hair. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for your continued support to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!